Ortega. For today's video, we're gonna tackle about convert degree to a minute and second. We have example here, 43.53. First step, bring down 43 degrees plus 53 or 0.53. 60 seconds. Next step, bring down 43 degrees plus 0.53 times 60 seconds equal 31.8. Bring down 43 degrees plus 31 plus 0.8 times 60 seconds. The answer is bring down the 43 degrees and 31 minutes. 0.8 times 60 seconds equals to 48 seconds. And this is the final answer.